Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Download the OneDrive app from the App Store or Google Play now. Open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account email and password. If you do not have an account, create one on the Microsoft website or inside the app. OneDrive includes 5 GB of free storage by default. Consider Microsoft 365 for 1 TB of storage if you need more space. Accept permissions for photos and files, so the app can upload and sync reliably on your phone. Enable camera, upload inside settings to automatically save photos and videos. Choose the Wi-Fi only option to avoid cellular data charges while uploading large files. Tap the upload button to add documents or select folders to sync manually from your phone. Mark important files as available offline to access them without a network connection. Use the Files view to check sync status and free up space by removing local copies. Deleted items move to the OneDrive recycle bin, where they remain for 30 days. Share files from the OneDrive app using a link or by inviting specific people. Choose View or Edit permissions and set link expiration or a password if your plan allows. Use the built-in app settings to enable PIN or biometric unlock for faster and safer access. Check file version history to restore an earlier document version when needed. Use the recycle bin to recover accidentally deleted files within 30 days. Manage storage by reviewing large files and moving personal backups to the cloud.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.